Hello everyone, welcome to the Lonely Wolf. Today I am going to show you how to quickly make Tandoori Dhaba style chicken with air fryer. I just washed this air fryer and then I'll show you first how to marinate the chicken so that it tastes the same way as our tandoori chicken does. Let me get the chicken. These are pre-cut chicken, so I don't have to do any difficult task of cutting or washing. Everything is pre-washed and kept nicely. I'll put them on a plate. I will take few of the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think these pieces are enough. I just washed the chicken, although it is washed, but still it's better to have it clean. To start with the process, let me try and add some red chili. Without red chili, obviously you will not get the taste. I don't like to use turmeric. It gives me that haldi type of flavor. They don't prefer. Next, I will add some mustard oil. It helps to remove the flavor of the chicken. You know the smell and all. So I prefer mustard oil. You can go for olive oil or sunflower oil, whatever is your preference. I added some ginger garlic paste, and now I will add this masala. This is Shan's masala, Achar Ghosh. It gives a unique taste to the meat. Let me put some. Sorry, I'm very bad in holding the phone. This is the secret recipe to make this thing work. I just added generously. Wait, let me keep this first. Then a little bit of salt. Now I will mix them and marinate them. See the oil. Without this oil, you will not get the taste of the tandoori style taste from air fryer. I know the whole purpose of air fryer is to reduce the oil, but for people who are bachelors or who want a quick tandoori meal, they can use this air fryer like a microwave. It gives you that full tandoori style taste. My goal of getting that air fryer was to make some French fries or stuff like that. So what it does, when you are mixing a lot of oil, then eventually after it is cooked, all the oil is drained. I will show you. Let me marinate this first. All this oil will drain away. It is now nicely marinated. So as you can see, this is the air fryer. I just took it out from here. This is how it is. You take it out and then you press this button. It will release this tray. You see there are tiny holes over here. So while the chicken is being cooked, all the oil drains here. So eventually the chicken is almost dry, but you have this unique flavor of mustard oil along with all the masalas. So that's the trick. If you are putting oil, not necessarily you are having all the oil. It will be drained. To start the process, let me show you. Once you push it in, it will on. And I will select on button and I will preheat it. I've always seen that if you preheat the cooker, then the chicken is more softer. If you don't preheat, then it gets hard. I don't know the reason behind it, but it is what it is. Let it preheat, then I'll put the chicken in. Now as you can see, it is already preheated. and take it out. I put all the chicken one by one. It's having this sound. Just putting it one by one over here. It fits usually 6 to 8 large pieces. These are large chunk of chicken. It's already started draining the oil. So I'll put this in. I usually prefer to cook it in two sessions. First I will run it for 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Start. Where's the start button? Start. Then I'll run a second session after shuffling it up for 10 more minutes. So it will be cooked properly. Let's wait for this. Now the first session is completed. I'll take it out and see how is it cooked. Whether is it as per our tandoori standards or not. It is quite crisp. I think it is halfway now. I'll turn it. Turn it so that the other side is also cooked. Usually it does get cooked both sides, but it is better always to turn it. Use my hand better. It's not that hot. Not turning. Yeah, now it's done. I'll put it back. After this it will be fully cooked like a tandoori chicken. That's it, 200 degrees for 10 minutes for the second session, and press the start button. That's it. The best part of this air fryer is that you don't have to do anything like stand near the flames or keep on grilling it, keep on frying it, keep on cooking it. Nothing. It's just ready. You can do your other stuff and enjoy a lovely chicken meal. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.